Hey, what's going on? And welcome back to day number 28 of 30 Days of Q&A. One of the biggest questions I've gotten is, what's the best way to reach out and actually connect with fans, be able to cut through the noise? And I think that one of the best mediums right now to be able to broadcast and actually get in front of your fans is text message. Email is still king because if you send 10 text messages back to back and someone doesn't respond, it starts to feel a little bit weird. But with email, you basically can send someone hundreds or even thousands of emails, and when the right one hits, then it works. So email is still where it's at, but text messages can be incredibly powerful, especially for real-time events and things where you're going live or you have tickets that you're about to sell or things like that, or you've released a new song. And it's one of the best ways to get in front of your fans. One of the most popular options right now is something called Community. And Community is awesome. I'm a big fan of Community text messaging. You can go to their website and check it out here and book a demo for it. The one downside I would say of Community is just that it's pretty pricey. So it costs $99 per month just to start, and that you only get 1,000 subscribers with that. And then it scales up $600 a month for 10,000 subscribers, $900 for 25K. And we're regularly working with artists that have hundreds of thousands or millions of fans. And even if you're just starting out and you don't even have 1,000 fans yet, $100 per month is a lot to pay just for this one feature. So with the StreetTeam platform, this is actually something that we bundle in addition to the funnels and websites and the email broadcasts and the conversation builder to be able to go back and forth. And so I just want to walk through how you can actually send out these text message broadcasts and reach out directly to your fans. So the first thing that you would do is navigate to where it says contacts here on the left. And when you click on that, you're going to see a list of all of your fans. And from here, you can click through to any contact. You can see things like lifetime value, which is going to tell you how much has this fan purchased from you over the course of their relationship. We walked through in one of the other videos how you can create lookalike audiences based on your most engaged, most profitable fans, and how that can really help hyper-focus your targeting so you're reaching the right people. But for the sake of this video, basically I want to show you how you can set out a text message. Let's imagine that Paul McCartney is one of your fans and you want to send him a text message. So if you click on the contacts tab and come to search, you can type in the name. You can see it pops up here. Then if you click on his profile, then it's going to show you the conversation view directly for this fan. So if you want to send him an email, you can send him an email. You could also send an SMS. So for this one, let's say, hey, Paul, just wanted to say you're awesome and I appreciate your support. That's how you can send out one-to-one emails and text messages. And when he responds to that text message you just sent, it's actually going to come into this view and you can have a back and forth conversation. And the last thing that I want to show you is how can you actually send a broadcast to all of your fans at the same time, because it might be a little time consuming to send out a text message to every single fan who's in your audience. So the way you can do this, and gosh, there's so many cool things you can do with this. So for example, let's say that you wanted to send out a text message just to your people who've spent over $10 on your music. Then you could actually search by that. And now you can send out a text message to just those people who are actually buyers. So that's just one very quick example, but it's really cool. So let's say that we want to send out a text message to all of the Beatles. So if we select all contacts here and then scroll to send SMS, here's where it's going to start getting fun. So this can go to every single Beatles member. And now that we're sending it to multiple people at once, in order to customize it, we can use these fields. So we're going to say, hey, contact first name. Just thought you should know you're my favorite Beatles member. P.S. Don't tell the others. And then from here to send it, literally all you need to do is click on send SMS. And it's going to send out that text message. So now in conversations, you can actually see a list of all of the conversations that you're having with your fans. And when they respond back, then it'll come here into this view. You can filter by whether it's read or unread. And you can see here that it actually dynamically replaced the first name for everyone with the name of the Beatles. All right, so that was day number 28 of 30 Days of Q&A. I hope this is helpful, and I would be very careful when you're sending out these text messages. They're incredibly powerful, but you don't want to overuse them. Really, the best use case for sending out these text messages is when there's an event that someone has signed up for, and they've basically asked to be notified about that event. Right, so for example, if you have an upcoming tour and the ticket dates are about to go live, and they really want to make sure that they don't sell out before you drop them. So then you could actually have a page on your website when they go sign up, join the wait list, and that way you're sending out a text message that's really well timed. They know it's coming, and it's going to be one of your best performing broadcasts in your entire online music business. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you got value from this, if you could do me a favor and click on the like button, that lets YouTube know that this has been valuable. I'll share a link in the description for StreetTeam if you want to get a free trial and test it out. And until next time. Yeah!